Hi, my name is Jack Sands. I'm with Interact Technology. Today, I'd like to talk to you about Lakebrains Technologies. Chitranch, Kushbrew, and the team. We've been working together for a while now. It started out as a Chrome extension with AI capabilities and has expanded into a lot of other things. They've done a wonderful job building out the extension. And then I soon realized that, well, they can do just about anything I need in terms of programming. So it's been nice having all of it under one roof. I have been hiring contractors all over the world for just about 20 years now. I've had some really great experiences, made some good relationships. Others weren't so good. But the one thing that I always struggled with is, okay, I have somebody, let's say working on the extension, then I have an expert working on AI and machine learning, then I have the website, and then managing all of that and having it all fall within the brand is hard to do. With Lakebrains Technologies, they have experts at all of these different things. And so, as we've built out my application, which is going to be probably launching just after the first of the year, they've taken over all programming. Like I said, website, Chrome extension, web app on the back end, building out HubSpot CMS. And what's nice is everything is communicating really well. Um, I think probably the best part of working with Lakebrains Technologies is the relationship that we have built. It goes way beyond client vendor relationship. We we talk as peers. They give me a lot of really great feedback. If I have an idea as an entrepreneur and I say, hey, I would love to have our application do this, right? So I run it past the team and then they go off, they talk about it. They not only come back with, yeah, we can do it, or yeah, we can't. Usually they say, yeah, we can. And they make it work, which is great. But they actually have feedback, suggestions based on their experience. And I always feel like I'm getting the latest and greatest technology that's out there. Sometimes you have somebody that's been doing AI for 15 years, which is probably unlikely because it's pretty new. And they just kind of give you the cookie cutter stuff that's been out there this whole time. It doesn't work like that with Lakebrains. They're always looking for the best technologies out there. And so we've created stuff that just doesn't exist, stuff that's patentable. So it's super exciting, an amazing experience. Do yourself a favor, reach out to the team there at Lakebrains. If you have any questions, I'd be glad to talk to anybody. They most certainly have my contact information. So, please reach out. Let me know.